Folks, today we're doing a direct, no-nonsense comparison between two highly discussed health insurance plans. The flagship Optima Secure Plus plan from HDFC ERGO and the youth-focused activyuva plan from Aditya Birla Health Insurance, which by the way is a new plan. Skimming the fine print here is a massive financial mistake because while one functions as an unshakable institutional flagship, the other acts as a tech-driven challenger trying to completely rewrite the rules of traditional hospitalization. Let's break down exactly what you're paying for. Hello folks, I'm Shashank. You're tuned into Ditto Insurance. Subscribing to the channel is completely free, but it honestly motivates us to make more and more breakdowns for you. Now, before we begin, the operational metrics for both the parent companies are on your screen. And looking at the data, the analysis is pretty clear. HDFC ERGO shows massive scale and an incredibly low complaint volume, meaning you're paying a premium for a highly efficient and seamless claim process backed by years of institutional trust. Aditya Birla, on the other hand, has built a solid network, but their customer complaint friction is more than double HDFC's numbers. And because activyuva is a brand new launch, its real-world pricing stability and long-term claim behavior are still under active internal evaluation and Ditto. Now, moving straight into who can actually buy these policies. The age boundaries create an immediate split here. Optima Secure Plus is built as a universal family asset, accepting adults up to age 60 with lifelong renewability, allowing you to clearly include aging parents in your household planning. Aditya Birla's activyuva targets a very specific group, enforcing a strict entry age cap of 45, which completely locks out senior family members from the layout. For sum insured options, HDFC spans from about 10 lakhs to 2 crore, whereas activyuva offers choices from 5 lakh to 1 crore alongside an unlimited cover option as well. HDFC calculates costs across a sensitive 6-tier city classification, while Aditya Birla uses a 3-zone framework. But thankfully, neither plan penalizes you with zonal copay if you travel to a metro for advanced treatment. When it comes to basic claim terms, both plans wipe out the standard industry headaches by offering no copay, no disease-wise sublimits, and absolutely no room rent restrictions. However, activyuva introduces a massive operational shift by covering hospitalizations that last just 2 consecutive hours, completely breaking the traditional 24-hour rule. Now, for medical timelines, HDFC covers 60 days of pre-hospitalization and 180 days of post-hospitalization, while Aditya Birla pushes the pre-hospitalization window to 90 days. A major standard win for both products is that non-payable medical consumables like surgical gloves, masks, PPE kits are actually fully covered in the base policy without you having to buy any extra rider. The way these plans multiply your long-term protection is where the real feature war begins. Now, Optima Secure Plus deploys its secure benefit to instantly double your base cover from day one, meaning a 10 lakh cover gives you 20 lakh of active protection immediately. To combat inflation, their infinite benefit automatically adds 100% of base sum insured to your policy every single renewal year with no upper cap, allowing your cover to compound indefinitely over decades alongside an inbuilt unlimited annual restoration feature. Now, Aditya Birla activyuva fires back with its reload feature, providing double the base cover for your first year claim, followed by unlimited refills. Their Yuva credit bonus automatically adds 100% of the base sum insured at renewal regardless of past claims, allowing your coverage to multiply up to massive 10 times your starting cover over 10 years. The secondary feature sets reflect completely opposite product strategies. Okay. Aditya Birla injects gamified wellness into activyuva through the Health Returns program, which tracks your daily steps and sleep via an app to let highly active users earn up to 100% of their premium back as spendable health credits alongside a travel credit switch to pause domestic cover while you're abroad. Now, HDFC ERGO completely skips these app-based rewards, choosing instead to focus on comprehensive corporate riders. Optima Secure Plus allows you to attach an aggregate deductible for steep discounts, well-being rider for unlimited doctor consultations, a parenthood rider covering maternity and IVF up to 2 lakh, and the limitless add-on for infinite value lifetime claims. They also offer an ABCD chronic care rider to drop waiting periods for diabetes or BP down to just 30 days and an indemnity-based serious illness rider. The exact annual premium comparison for various profiles are displayed on your screen right now. Now, analyzing the numbers makes the financial trade-off completely obvious. So for young individuals and nuclear floaters in their 20s and 30s, Aditya Birla Activ Yuva is significantly cheaper because its pricing engine is hyper-focused and hyper-optimized for younger digital demographic. Optima Secure is a little expensive, sure, which directly reflects the day one double cover, infinite compounding bonus structure, and premium operational metrics. Notice that the senior citizen parent tier is completely blank for Activ Yuva as they cannot legally enter the plan. So this brings us to the final verdict on how to map these options to your household. See, we never make a blanket recommendation because every family structure is different. You should lean probably towards Activ Yuva if you are a young professional under 40, highly engaged with fitness apps, and want economical modern policy that offers a unique 2-hour hospitalization rule and massive bonus growth. However, if your priority is securing an unshakable flagship for a multi-generational family, require the freedom to include older parents, and want the absolute safety of top-tier operational metrics and minimal customer complaint friction, paying a little higher premium for Optima Secure Plus could be a good bet. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your matching, your needs, and your comfort. And if you want an expert to help you balance these numbers face to face, then click the link in the description to talk to us. We not just help you buy a policy, but we also help you compare them, and we stand with you during claims. Our claim support is lifetime and it's completely free. Alright folks, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.